What's up, guys? Today we have Blazing Fire. This is a cake by Elite Fireworks, part of their Pyro series. This is also part of the Elements box kit. This is a 16-shot, 500-gram cake. Moving on over to the pictures on the side, which Elite does include with all of their in-house brands. And they also have a QR code for their YouTube channel as well. Here we have our effects. So we have that 16 shots, 500 grams, 150 feet, with a 25-second duration, vertical design, with brocades, chrysanthemum, crackle, and strobe. And for colors, we have rosy red, cold blue, pure white, and lime green. For our product details, we have magnificent brocade crown with all different colors, such as red, white, blue, and green, with shining silver and big chrysanthemum in red, or in the end, sorry, not red. So it's all vertical shots on this cake. This one has pretty decent bore diameter, I believe. This has the biggest breaks out of the cakes in the Elements box kit. It does have the lowest shot count, but we do have those about 1.5, 1 3/8 inch bores. So we have a pretty good size break. It's decently loud. It's a pretty straightforward cake. I prefer Quaking Earth and Breezing Air. Those are my two favorites, just because the unique effects they have, and I love cakes that are just different. But this is one of those very reliable, great breaks, and you can use it pretty much anywhere in a show, which is nice. So let's go ahead and take it out there, see what it looks like, and let me know how you like Blazing Fire. Thought I already pressed it. All right, now it's ready. Pressed it. All right, now it's ready.